Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I can show you how to check your graphic card in your HP OmniBook X. So guys, basically it's very easy to do. This method works on every Windows device. So just open File Explorer. You can click on it on this bottom panel. You can even just press on your keyboard Windows plus E and you will open the File Explorer. So when the Explorer is opened, so you can just find on this left panel this PC, as you can see. So here you will see this PC. Maybe it will be opened, but you can just click on this PC by the right button, and here you will see Properties. So click Properties, and here you will see information about your device. Here you will see your storage, your internal RAM, your processor, and of course your graphic card. And in my case, it's Qualcomm Adreno X185 GPU. Yes, it's not AMD, it's not Nvidia or something about it. It's mobile graphic card integrated in Snapdragon processor. That's it, guys. With the first method. The second method, of course, is just opening settings. So just open settings, then find system, and here you will see about. Click about, and in this way we will open the same menu, as you can see. Cool. And now the other way to do that is just to open Device Manager. So just let's try to open Device Manager, and here in the Device Manager, audio processing. So here you will see display adapters. So find display adapters here, and here we'll see Qualcomm Adreno properties, right? So you can open it. Here you can see your driver, for example, your Qualcomm Adreno driver. You can even update driver right here, so you can search it automatically, or you can, for example, download firstly driver and then just click browse my computer for drivers, select the driver you wanna install, and it will be installed successfully. So that's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. So like this video, subscribe to our channel, of course write a comment below, and bye. See you.